Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Miss John here. I am here with today's lesson, which is November 12th lesson, reading informational text, and we're going to be doing a close read about the ostrich from a web page, actually the one we looked at on Tuesday. Okay, here are our learning targets. I can read a web page closely in order to answer research questions, and I can cite evidence from the text to support my answers to questions. Okay, so just thinking about our website that we used the other day with the millipede. Okay, we went through that website and we worked through taking the gist of each section. Okay, the difference in a close read is we're looking for really specific information. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to in class in our module workbooks we're going to go through the millipede close read, and that will then prepare you hopefully for doing this independently. Now, the difference in the millipede close read is it's very short. So it only asks a couple quick questions. What details do you see what details do you see in the passage or on the website? What does the word invertebrate mean? What does the author use to describe the millipede? So we're going to answer those questions in class. Okay. Then thinking about this performance task really quickly, we're actually not going to have an informational page, but we're going to be basing all of our information that we're doing research on, and we are going to then take that and incorporate it into our writing as we complete our writing throughout the quarter. Okay. All right. So for independent work today, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this website about the ostrich. You saw this on Tuesday. If you can't find answers to the questions on the website, which you should be able to, then you can look at a different website, but I would prefer you just stick with this one. You're gonna use this website, and you are going to complete pages 87 through 91 of your module workbook. Okay, so here's the website. Now the difference is if you'll flip to 87 in your module workbook, you're gonna see that it says the website is www.archive.org. Okay, that website is no longer there. So EL Education put this together for us. It has lots of things on it. Okay, so the first question is, it says use the arrows to scroll through the slideshow at the top of the page, then use the details from the photographs to answer the questions. So what details do you see in the photographs that might help us understand how ostriches defend themselves? So I'm just going to flip through. Oh, I see lots of them running. Oh, that one looks fierce. I don't know what's happening here. Not sure. Oh, but look at its feet. Okay, I think I know how ostriches defend themselves. I'm going to record that there beside the number 1 section. Okay, then I'm going to follow the directions on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find ostrich description. You're going to read this section and answer the questions. After you answer the questions beside number 2, then you're going to reread this section out loud. It's on the right, and then answer the questions. Keep going down to ostrich biology. What do these things mean? Okay, so if you see here words are underlined, you can click on it or run your mouse over it, and it tells you the definition. Okay. So you're just going to work through that close read and answer the questions. And that is it for the day. Okay. Best of luck. You need this research, so you need to complete this work. It might seem like a lot, but hopefully in class you were there, and this is just a refresher. We did this together, so it shouldn't be too much. Anyway, thanks for coming to watch this video, and we will see you tomorrow in EL.